Today we continue the great construction of our LEGO asset library. Is it necessary to reinvent the wheel every time? My answer is no. Today I will show how a new part is created based on already ready-made developments, which will become part of our future constructor. In professional modeling, time is the most precious resource. Of course, I am not a 3D pro, and time is also important to me. Therefore, now we do not create everything from scratch, but adapt existing models. We take the base, change the topology, and add new elements. This allows us to maintain the same proportions and scale for all parts of the asset. But do not get used to such ease. This is only a preparatory stage. Ahead of us are complex technical nodes, where every millimeter will have to be built manually. I'm currently working on the internal structure of the plate. Even here, we rely on good old-fashioned methods, mirroring and arrays. Why is this important? Because LEGO is all about perfect mathematical precision. If you get the distance between the grooves wrong by even 0.01 units, the parts simply won't click in the final assembly. Using the mirror modifier allows me to focus on detailing just one segment, ensuring that all the others are identical. Each such part is a brick not only in the virtual world, but also in your experience. We continue to collect this asset so that later we can create any complex objects in a matter of minutes. Today it's a simple plate, tomorrow it's a complex mechanism. Step by step we accustom ourselves to a clean mesh and the correct hierarchy of objects. Look at how clearly the faces fit together after stitching the vertices. This is the sign of a quality model. This part is ready and is being sent to our digital box. We have successfully used the existing base and supplemented it with new elements. But don't relax, the next videos will be much more hardcore, where we will go deeper into complex geometry. Thank you for being with me. It will only get more interesting.